I love palak. Let it be any form, maybe palak soup, palak paneer, palak pakode, whichever form it is, I just love palak. So, friends, today we are going to make a very, very delicious and very soothing and cool, very, very yummy dish, which is makai palak or corn palak. The ingredients what we are going to use: 1.5 cup of blanched palak and 1 cup of boiled corn. I boil the corn with the haldi, and 1 half teaspoon of freshly ground ginger, half teaspoon of freshly ground garlic. You can add little extra garlic because palak and garlic goes very well. And I am going to use little bit of amchur powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped onions, half teaspoon green chilies, half teaspoon jeera, and little bit of kasuri methi, and of course oil for frying the masalas, and salt as per the taste. I'll be using little butter in between the cooking, that I'll let you know that time. In a pan, 1 teaspoon, little extra, little more than 1 teaspoon oil is put and it's getting heated. Let's put our jeera, green chilies, ginger and garlic paste, and the chopped onions. Keep the flame low, and while this is getting fried, let's puree our palak and keep it. Our onions and the masalas are fried. Let's add the boiled corns into it. I am going to give you a tip here. Why did I boil the corn with the haldi? Because it makes it more brighter. When you put it in the palak, you will find the corn is looking much brighter than if it is boiled as it is. And this time we are going to use our palak puree, all of them, very nicely, very fine ground, and no water is added at that time. Look at the nice green color of the palak. If you blanch the palak well, you will find that you are not losing the color of the palak. Let this fry for some time, let the moisture come out, and we'll add little water. In fact, the water which is put in this from the grinder, we'll use that. We are not making it like a gravy, we are going to make it little dry. This time we are going to add little bit of haldi and salt. This is another tip. If you put the haldi in the palak also, it makes the color of the palak nice and bright and green. Remember, I am not using any red chili powder in this, because if we use red chili powder in this, the green color will turn into brown. So we won't get the desired color. That's a tip number 2 for you. That's why we use the green chilies in this for the spices. And let's add the salt. Remember, palak is one vegetable, one green leafy vegetable which is on the salty side. So whenever you're putting salt for the palak, be careful. We should be putting less than what the other vegetables need. So let this fry a little more. Yes, that was the tip number 3 for you. At this stage, we are going to put little bit of amchur just to make the We are not used any, maybe a quarter teaspoon of amchur. We are not used any tomatoes in this, so we need little to balance the taste. That's why we are putting the amchur powder and little bit of kasuri methi. And now we have one last ingredient to put it in this, just to bring out the taste little more or enhance the taste. That is, we are going to add butter to it. Let the butter melt and mix with the palak. Yes, we are done. Let's give a nice boil, the whole thing, and transfer it to the plate. So makai palak or corn palak is ready. The bright green color of palak is intact and the bright yellow color of the corn. I told you why it is, the colors are remaining like that. Now the last tip for you, how you can retain the color of the palak as green as this. Don't overboil it. When you are blanching it, once it is boiled, one boil and just take it out and put it in the ice water immediately so the color remains the same. Let's put some cream on top and serve it. Yes, look at that. Isn't it so inviting?